Friends, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will receive the notification.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. It's a healthy lifestyle. So today I'm going to show one of the salad recipe for dinner. So here I'm taking around 150 grams of yellow peas, which is equal for 3 servings. So that means for one serving it will come around 50 grams. So now I'm adding water and little bit of Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink salt consisting of small amounts of calcium, potassium, magnesium and sodium than compared to the regular salt. Now close the lid and let it give 4 whistles. I took here few vegetables like cucumber, capsicum, carrot, beetroot and tomato and some beans. Guys, I want to give one tip here. See, you can see this coriander which is 4 days old but still it is so fresh. Usually before when I used to freeze it in other containers it used to spoil so soon, but when after I started using this, the coriander is staying fresh for almost a week. So you can try using this. So I also have some finely chopped onions, and now let's chop all the vegetables. I personally don't like a capsicum into bigger pieces, so I'm going with small pieces, and here my knife is not cutting it properly, so I'm taking another knife and just kind of sharpening it. In that way it cuts so well. This is also one of the home tip. And whatever the vegetables available at your home, you can use it. So here I have few and I'm using it. These are good options for the salads. Same ingredients you can use it for chickpea salad also. The only difference is you are replacing chickpeas with yellow peas. Even you can replace that with paneer and mushrooms, so that is also become a very good salad. So the basic agenda here is we want to reduce the calories intake. So that's why we choose the vegetables which are less in calories. Even our main ingredients would be less in calories. So our peas are also ready, they cooked so well. So here I am taking non-stick pan and I am adding around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil will be little costly but it's better to use than the vegetable oil. So I am adding 1 tablespoon of jeera and 2 dry chilies. And I'm spreading the oil all over the pan so that whenever we add vegetables it doesn't stick or burn. So let's add onions first. Saute them well. So I'm adding chilies. I'm adding only 1 chili. You can use it according to the spices you want to have it. And I'm adding capsicum, carrot, and let it cook for like 1 minute. Now let's add other vegetables like beetroot and beans, because these vegetables require little more time to cook. I'm adding around half tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt to it. So cover the lid and let it cook for another 2 minutes. We don't want vegetables to cook so well because we want them to be a little bit raw. So now I'm adding cucumber to it. So let it cook for another 5 minutes. So now it's time for us to add the yellow peas. So let's add a little bit of black pepper powder and little bit of jeera powder. The reason why I use beetroot is I want that pinkish color on my cucumbers. It looks so good. I love eating colorful food. So finally our salad is finished by adding only one ingredient, that is this chopped onions. So this is completely optional. If you like it, you can add it. Otherwise you can skip this step because it gives a little bit of sour taste to the salad. So let's mix this, and we don't want our tomatoes to be cooked. So just keep it for 1 minute and take it out. So I'm adding one final secret ingredient, that is chopped coconut. This is a fresh coconut. So this is also completely optional. If you like it, you can add it. Finally our salad is ready. So the salad which we prepared, which is sufficient for the 3 servings, 3 people can have this salad. We used 150 grams of whole yellow peas here. For one serving it will come around 50 grams of peas, so which is 170 grams in calories. So I hope you guys like this video, and there are a lot of breakfast and dinner recipes on my channel. You can go and watch. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share these recipes with your friends and families who are looking for weight loss. These are good dinner options.